gamers, we've done it yet again. We have swept ass here on Interchange. When I mean swept ass, I mean we took it to the next level. Because no one watches my streams, I have decided to exit camp. Now, before you leave, just give me a second. This clip you're watching right now is me extra camping. But let me tell you. We did a 6-man wipe after this clip, and you need to watch it. It is the cleanest, most spec ops shit you've ever seen. So take a look.
Keep right. Speed trap ahead. Keep left. Continue straight. Turn left. Turn left. Turn left. Continue straight. Keep left. Straight.
You've arrived.
Run.
Surprise, motherfucker! Surprise, motherfucker! Surprise, motherfucker! I'm so sorry, guys. That was fun. I kind of like that. Be a little tickle. They never expect the green truck camp. Just tell you, I am a fan of this truck. Hey guys, Boyo here. I just wanted to say thank you for checking out this video. I know it's a shorter one, but what I tried to do in this video was to completely just capture the moments that were important. There's funny bits, but I wanted to capture the ones that actually meant something. So that's what I did, and that's what I will probably continue to do depending on the feedback I get from this video. Do note, we do have a Twitch. This column down here, or actually the truck over there, I'm going to put the thumbnail for this video. It's going to be a featured thumbnail. Something I do special on Twitch to promote the YouTube channel. We don't only have a Twitch, we have a Twitter, that's BoyoFPS. We have an Instagram, BoyoFPS, TikTok, BoyoFPS. All those social media links are BoyoFPS. They are in the description. So I just wanted to say thank you for tuning in, and hope to eventually grow our community and play out with more people and keep it going. So take it easy.